Hi everyone, this is Cindy, Crane the Heart, and I'm back with what I'm hoping is the last Destash for a while. So I've gone through enough of my dies and my stamps that I'm ready to go ahead and do a Destash. It's US only, it's PayPal only. You need to email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. That information will be in the description box below. I'll try to get to you as soon as I can. I hope to mail, if possible, Wednesday and Thursday. Friday and Saturday, I'm going to be at a dance competition for my daughter, so I will not be around because I'll be busy. So anyway, that's my plan. If for some reason the payment doesn't come in before that time, then it'll get mailed the very next available day, which is Monday, which is my normal mailing day. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to do lots 1, 2, 3, and 4. All my other lots have sold except for the Rhinestone Kit. They don't make these kits anymore. The Rhinestone Kit for the silhouette probably would work. I mean, work for Cricut too. I mean, basically, but the silhouette actually has like rhinestone SVGs that you can get from their store, or whatever what they call their little designs. So if you're interested in that one, you can email me separately about that. That's the only thing I have left from all my previous Destashes. Everything else has sold. So I'm back down to 1. So this is number 1, and it is $50. I'm just going to get right in there and tell you it is $50 because I have brand new, really expensive stuff. So I have this one. I didn't even cut this out. I just know that I'm not going to use it. It's very square. I don't do a lot of square things, I guess. I'm more of a rectangle person, if that's a thing. But it says, "Oh, Christmas Tree," and it says, "Oh, Christmas Tree" on here. If you have, let me see this here. If you have a cuddle bug, it may not, the biggest one may not fit in there, but the other sizes would, and realistically, most of us are going to use these other 2 sizes. That middle size that says "Oh, Christmas Tree" is 4 3/4 by 4 3/4. It's square, duh. So it's pretty big. That one size is pretty big. And normally it's $29.99. Okay, so there's that one. There's this, and this is an LDRS. I did buy this on clearance, but I had to pay for shipping. It's very square and it's quite large. I just don't see myself going for this. And it is 5.5, it looks like, by 5.5 for that largest one. So it will fit in a cuddle bug. It'll fit in every size just about. So 5.5 by 5.5. Brand new, never used. You get all of those dies. So that's included. The pillow box die, if you watched my Scrapbooking Made Simple, I could swear that I have 2 of these, but I can't find the other one. So I don't know where it is. Maybe I put it in another Destash area. I don't know. But this is one of the dies that came in that. I have just decided not to get it because I also have a Sizzix pillow box die and I don't need 2 of them. It's probably smaller than this one. This one was not a whole totally bad size. But this, if you Google this, you'll see how expensive that die is. Also in there is this 3D bow die, and I also showed that die in my Scrapbooking Made Simple die videos. I just have a bow almost exactly like it and didn't realize it because I bought this 6 months ago. So this is very similar to my French bow, which I have, which is a Brenda Walton. And then I've got this Baby Rudolph, just cut once to show you guys. And also the Gingerbread Man. I've got the Trio of Snowmen. This has 2 dies a piece, so you can do some minimal layering with that one. I love snowmen, but I'm getting pickier with my stuff because I have so much. This one, which is the Haunted House, again, it's got 2 dies, so you can do some layering with this die. There's that one. That one I had never used. Let's see. Also in here is this die, which I've never opened. I'm just kind of trimming down my alphabets to alphabets I really like. Not that I don't like this one, but this die. Also, we've got this one because I have a couple of dies that are very similar to this die. And this was normally like $15.99, which I think is outrageous, but or $19.99. I don't know. It was expensive. So anyway, I have a couple of dies that do this. These are really nice, though. I mean, they're really nice. You can cut them really quickly, make a cute card. But I have like another one that's just like it. So there's that one. And then this one, I might be missing a piece in this die. Let me see here. I don't know. Yeah, I am, this die is missing this piece right here. So, I don't know what happened to it. I don't even know if it was ever in here. Is that? Let me continue on here. This die, which is an ornament die from Paper Smooches. I only used it one time. I do have it in one of my videos. This die, which is a snowman die from Paper Smooches. It's also very brand new. I only used it a couple of times. And then we're on to no-name dies. So I have this one. I have that one. I have this one, which one of these I bought twice. You'll see it in one of my other ones. I don't know what I'm thinking. It's just smaller than I thought it was going to be. So, but it makes a snowman. It's actually very cute. I don't hate it. It's just, like I said, I'm getting pickier with my dies. So there's that one. This one does a snowman. And I don't hate it. The pieces aren't super small. Then there's this one. I don't know, it's like a holiday one. So it does like a Santa and a reindeer and a snowman. And then it's got, I think it says Noel. That one is super small. And then also included is this Merry and Bright, this unicorn, and then this one right here, which I'm going to open up and show you because this is pretty cool, but I'm just probably not going to use this. It's a unicorn. Whoops. And then there's a little snowman or gingerbread man. And then there's all these little tags. So there's a heart tag. I thought about keeping these because these would be really cute layered. But I just have so much stuff that I don't know. I just have to. I don't think I'm going to use it. Like, it's just going to get lost with all my stuff. So there's that one. So that is lot number 1, and it is $50. Okay. Email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. Okay, moving on to lot. Let me put lot number 1. Yikes. I don't know how I'm going to even shuffle these in my area. Is so tight right now. Okay, so that's lot number 1, $50. This is lot number 2, and it is $60. It is $60. You'll see why. I think it's worth it. All right, this makes a unicorn, all kinds of different hair for the unicorn. I feel like I'm drifting away from unicorns, like I'm less into unicorns. Anyway, there's that. The snowflake die, which I showed you guys, I'm just not into it. This Merry Christmas frame, it has 2 dies, so you can do some layering with that die. This is very similar to the Cottage Cuts die, which I believe I already own, so I don't even know why I got this one. But like, I think it makes a gingerbread man that sits in a cupcake. I think that's what that one is. This one, which is 2 dies, or actually it's more than that. Oh no, it's 2 dies. It spells Be Merry and No Peeking. Be Merry and No Peeking. The Christmas Tree Trio, I don't think I use this at all. It cuts twice, so you can do some layering with this one. I might have used it once. These 2 dies, which are the LDRS ornament dies. You know, I just think I would enjoy cutting that out of my Cricut better. This makes a house that you can decorate with all the little bazillion pieces. This is a gingerbread house. Never cut with that. This is a large snowman. You get 1 die. It's a nice size. This, I love, love, love this die, but I already have it. I bought it twice. I think I bought it because it was on sale. Maybe I forgot I had it. I don't know, but I use it all the time. I love it so much. This is a fabulous die. There's that darn Santa again that I bought twice. I don't know. Or it came twice. I don't really know. Here's this one, which is a stag head. It's just, I don't know. So then there's this one, which I'm going to show you guys. This one I don't know. This one, it's got some pluses and minuses. So it does some different butterflies that you can layer. And then this was supposed to make like a mini album, and these are supposed to layer on top, but look at how freaking tiny that is. Like, what kind of mini album is that? So that was ridiculous, but the butterflies are amazing. Okay, so we have a Jolly Santa. He's 1 die. We have the Memory Box Plush Classic Rose. I already have a rose die I really love. Snowflake Trinket die by Poppy Stamps, Poppy something. This Christmas Presents Gift Selection Trio. I almost kept this, but I said the heck with it. It does 2 dies for each one, so you can do some layering. This one, I don't hate this one. I did use it, but there's just some things I like better. Merry Christmas and Happy Christmas. It makes a banner. You get 11 dies, so you get different pieces of the banner, and you get the words. There's that one. And then I'm also including this Kensington handbag die. I really only have room in my life for 1 purse die, and I'm holding out to get that Our Daily Bread one, or they are calling themselves something else now. But yeah, so this is number 2, and this Kensington handbag die cost me $33, and that's cheap. So it cost me $33 from Overstock. So yeah, that die alone. So all my prices include shipping. So I know someone always asks me that. I don't add shipping. This is it, $60 shipped. And I pay for shipping. And I usually, it's always, almost always, unless I say, I'm going to be priority. Okay, so here is the stamp lot. This is going to be lot number 3. I need to move a little faster. Lot number 3. Okay. You're going to get this one, which is the Bo Bunny Little Santa's die. I don't know. This one, which for some reason was like freaking originally $30 from LDRS. I don't know. Made out of gold or something. Holidays. Get 8 stamps. It's super cute. I just am not going to use it. I know myself. So there's that one. Never used it. Cards TV. Happy Halloween. I used 1 or 2 dies out of this. This donut die. It also comes with a, this donut stamp comes with a die. That's what I meant to say. This Hero Arts stamp and die set. This Caped Cuties, and it has dies with it. I think I have 2 of those. I had 2 of these, which this is a hot item in a way because they don't sell these clear. They don't sell these little girls anymore in clear unless you can find them somewhere. I love mine. I just have 2 of them. I absolutely love it. Make-A-Wish. It's amazing. I love that die. I love CC Designs anyways. This one, this was a Stamptember. This was Reverse Confetti Forest Friends. I never used it. Out of This World is the name of this die, and it comes with some, or name of the stamp set. I'm on dies. And it comes with dies. I have no idea if the dies work really well with the stamp set. I'm hoping they do. Flying Witch Marcy. A couple Stamping Bella ones. I got the Bookworm Bella and the Hug-A-Bella. This one needs foam. You can stamp without foam. There's that one. The s'more one, I bought this twice because I'm lame. And I love this, S'more Fun and the dies, super brand new. This one I bought twice. It's brand new. It's called Bunny by Prima, Julie Netting, and it also includes the dies. And then this one, which you cannot buy anywhere, I believe, anywhere. Snow Place Like Home. This is the Polka Doodles Gnome for Christmas. This was sold on HSN, but I bought mine originally from the UK site, and then they had an HSN bundle, and so I bought that bundle because I wanted these other gnomes, and it came with another one of these, so that's why I have two of them. So I think they're really hard to find right now. So anyway, this is number 3, and it is $50. All right. So there's that. And we're going to do number 4, the last one, which is a box. It's a box of random stuff. It's random. Okay. So I have this box. I want to say this is We Are Memory Keepers, and it's full of metal. It's got metal corners, metal, just, I don't want to open it, like brackets and buckles and tabs and frames and everything. It's all in there. These, which are clips from Webster's Pages. This clock, which is from a project from Paper Phenomenon. Got the order. There is really good stuff in here too. But these clips, don't need a bazillion clips. I don't know what's up with what I'm. All right, let's get in here. Okay. Hardware for, like, I think it might be like some toolbox or lunchbox, or I don't know, some kind of kit, hardware kit. And then I've got Maggie Holmes Willow Lane rub-ons. And then I have Maggie Holmes Bloom stickers. I have these Webster's Pages cameo things or resin embellishments. Prima butterfly clips. This Cedar Lane, I think I used a couple pages out of that. It's American Crafts. Wooden dolls. 2 wooden dolls. The Authentique Solitude 6x6. I've never used that. Get this out of the way. Cozy Christmas 12x12 by My Mind's Eye. Never used that I can tell. Right here, it's brand new. Wild at Heart. I've decided I'm not going to probably use this chipboard. I paid full price for this. It did not come from Tuesday Morning. The chipboard for Cozy Christmas, never used, brand new. And the Authentique, this one is called Alpine. This one. Never used the full pad. So it's very nice. I don't have a lot of stuff. So this is lot number 4, and it is $35 shipped. So please email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.